I am an Airbus A320 airline pilot. I haven't flown on a light aircraft in years. My friend Hamza, who's currently doing his flight training, invited me to fly the Cessna 150 with him from Saint-Hubert Airport in Montreal, Canada. I'm on vacation here right now, so of course I said yes. The Cessna 150 is a two-seat tricycle gear, single-engine piston general aircraft, mostly used in flight training and personal use. I'll be leaving Montreal in a few days to go back to work on the Airbus A320, but for now, let's fly. We're flying a Cessna with my boy. What's good, bro?
Hey, man.
Hey.
Ça va?
Ça va toi, bro?
Ça va.
It was about a 20-minute drive from downtown Montreal to Saint-Hubert Airfield.
Mais comment tu sais quand tu l'as fait?
Just got his IFR rating. What's next?
ATPL.
ATPL?
Yeah, frozen ATPL.
Frozen ATPL, theoretical, okay.
Yes.
Alright, man, we're driving. Gonna go to the Cessna, get a little flight in. Get your merch, get your Fly JV merch, new hoodies.
Yeah, you should definitely get them.
Get them, man. New hoodies available right now. Brand new logo, brand new quality, brand new texture. You already know how it is, man.
Ready, my man?
Ready to fly planes, man. Get it. Got it life. Cessna 150 with my man.
That's right.
Aircraft is ready, lock and load. Let's get this done. Boom. Inside, the yoke. And it's been a while since I flew a light aircraft, but it looks amazing. Back to the basics, my friends. Back to the basics. Oh, they got a Garmin screen. That's pretty cool. I didn't fly the Cessna 150 before. I flew the Piper Warrior, the PA-28. That's where I did my, that's the aircraft on which I did my formation, my training, so it's pretty different. Did my multi-engine on the DA-42, the Diamond aircraft. That was a full glass cockpit with Garmin. See, I got the headsets here. Headsets, got my little bottle of water. That's what the trim looks like on this aircraft. It's different from the Piper, and the Piper is somewhere over here. Where's the flap lever? The flap lever is right here. This is also very different from the Piper. You got the mixture here, throttle, okay, carb heat right here. C'est bon? All right. Let's get it done.
Fuel shut off. Perfect. So, smells like proper clear keys. They're hot.
Yeah. Your engine is primed already.
Yep.
Let's get it done. Let's get this on the first try.
Hopefully, yeah. Clear! Engine pressure in the green. Alternator charging. Radio's on. That's the mask.
We're cleared for lineup and takeoff. And rotate. We flew towards and overflew Saint-Basile. We then exited the classy airspace of Saint-Hubert Tower and climbed from 1,100 feet to 1,800 feet. After that, we flew to Saint-Jean-Baptiste. From there, we climbed to 4,000 feet. The flight itself was VFR, meaning Visual Flight Rules. In other words, we operated the plane visually and navigated with reference to the ground. It was a lot of fun coming back to the basics and flying the Cessna. The feel of the aircraft is extremely different to that of the Airbus A320, and the checklists and procedures are very, very different. Make no mistake, it is very challenging to go from an airliner to a light aircraft, especially if you don't fly smaller airplanes often. We overflew Saint-Damas, Saint-Pie, and flew around Mount Yasmaka. We then flew in between the mountain and the city of Granby, after which we started our descent and flew back to the airfield to land. On final approach, the tower cleared someone on the runway while we were on short final. They spent quite a long time on the runway and we considered going around. But after a while, they ended up leaving just in time for us to land. Now, let's be honest, this situation was forgiving as we were flying a light aircraft. But in an airliner, that would have been a go-around. Remember, you can always go around when your safety and that of your passengers can potentially be affected. Now that that problem was out of the way, we just focused on safely landing the aircraft back on runway 24.
Ça c'est une remise de gaz, c'est une remise de gaz, c'est ça, chaud, juste après.
We laughed about the whole situation that happened on final, and then just taxied back to the general aviation apron to put the aircraft to rest.
C'est vrai, tu peux le faire, mais le taxi speed. Le taxi speed from the runway, c'est vrai, man. En plus, il est clear pour take off.
Well done, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, bro. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the flight. Thank you to my boy Hamza holding the camera right now. Flight was super amazing, super good. You know, just a little flight quickly. I think I'm in time, you know?
1h10 minutes.
Yeah, an hour and 10 minutes of flight. As you saw, the landing was interesting. Air traffic control clearing people on the runway were on short final. Guy at taxi speed down the runway when we were like 50 feet from the ground, but you know, we were like this close from going around, but we didn't in the end. So
Pilot decision making.
bad decision making. I mean, honestly, if it was me, go around because that Airbus A320 speed is different from this one. But he did a good job flying the airplane, so well done to you, bro. And yeah, man, thank you for the experience.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you, man. It's been a while. We're back. Shout out to my boy Hamza for the experience. We definitely had a lot of fun, and it was a nice send-off for the end of my vacation. I enjoyed the rest of my vacation doing various things, including brunching with old friends. What's up? Say hi to the vlog. Hi. What's your name?
Welly.
Where are you from?
Burkina Faso.
With the Canadian accent? Aight. My boy Ama Iskander. Now say a word for the camera, bro. You gotta say something. This man is too stoic, bro. Why you always stoic like that? Huh?
I'm Ama from Senegal.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Ah, Mangi Firek, Mangi Firek. Filme un peu la bouffe vite fait. C'est vlog mode, vous savez, c'est vlog mode. C'est comme ça, c'est pas facile cette vie. Quelle vie? Quelle vie? I got the smoothie on deck. C'est pas facile cette vie. I got the cheese. And catching a movie. Now it's time to leave. My Air Canada flight takes off at 6:15 p.m. for Paris, and we're flying on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner today. Getting my things packed up while waiting for some of my boys to come so we can all leave for the airport together. It's time to leave, man. It's been a blast. 2 weeks, birthday, seen my boys, did everything I needed to do. Now it's time to move, man. Back to work, back to flying. So we out here, got the Fly JV merch. Get your Fly JV merch right now. You already know how it is. Follow me on Instagram as well, man. So we're about to hit the road. My boy Musa is freeloading in my fridge. And my boy Iki behind the camera.
That's what's up.
So guys, yeah, sir. So guys, let's make a move, huh?
The flight crew.
Flight guys, flight boys, and the flight girls. Everybody's on the other side of the screen right now.
That's what's up.
Enjoying. I hope you're having a good day, okay? I hope you eating your chips, Fish and chips, mate, innit? JV. I'm on the moon, je suis sur la lune, je suis dans les dunes, Talk about JV, talk about who, don't even know me, c'est pas moi qui parle, ils me connaissent même pas, Yeah, I'm in my zone, je suis dans ma zone. Past customs. Yeah, it was a pretty quick process because I did the check-in online, and then we could just, you can just print your little tag for your luggage on the screens by just scanning your barcode for your ticket. That's pretty cool. And then you can just like drop your actual luggage by yourself. You don't have to do any lines, so that was pretty neat. I like that. I'm in my zone, je suis dans ma zone, stay in my lane, I'm in the plane, luggage not fitting me. Alright, so we're in the international zone. Just scanned my little ticket through gate. So now I'm going to gate A64 for Air Canada flight straight to Paris Charles de Gaulle International Airport. Let's get this done, man. It's time to get back to work. I'm excited. Vacation was good. I enjoyed it. Let's get it, man. That airport environment, man. Lufthansa getting ready to go. Look at that small pushback, man. Cute looking. Okay, I don't know if the cargo is done being loaded or it's about to be loaded, but the cargo doors are open. You can see the container being loaded in the back aft cargo. Yeah, man, Airbus A320. It's a beast. Qatar Airways chilling, no pressure. You will never find me first in a line to get inside an aircraft, because at the end of the day, we'll all be in the same aircraft, we all have a boarding pass, we all have an assigned seat. Work smart. However, there is a small price to pay for this salvation. And that small price is the racks might be filled, so you might have to put your bags somewhere that is different from where you're seating. But like I said, it's a small price to pay. It's a small, crack in the plan, but the plan still works perfectly. Collateral damage, you gotta break some eggs to make the eggs. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna be sitting here, eating my food, waiting for everybody to board, and then I'm gonna be last. It's not gonna change where I'm gonna be seated. Okay, I'm done roasting. Cargo ship it, voyage léger, je répète. Voyage léger, they tryna catch me, m'attraper. Ils veulent m'attraper, I'm going ghost. Yeah. They tryna catch me, they wanna be me, yeah. I'm on the moon, I'm going ghost. Kick it with me tonight. I got the Henny, the money, the honey. We got all we need tonight. Strike like team tonight. Buy the crib tonight. She chill in the crib tonight. My nose they be running, my palms they be sweaty. J'ai fait trop la fête tonight. Flacon de Lancôme, peu comme un fantôme. I'm in a rave. They tryna catch me, they wanna be me. I'm on the moon, I'm going ghost. Yeah. They tryna catch me, they wanna be me. I'm on the moon. Meal is served. We got chicken, potatoes, carrots, green beans, a starter. Okay, a starter right here, chocolate cake, and some bread right here, man. So I just had a very interesting conversation with the flight attendant. because while she was walking down the aisle, I noticed she had tattoos on her arms that were visible. So I asked her, like, is it normal for Air Canada flight attendants to have visible tattoos? And she told me that basically during COVID they changed their rules. Basically now they're able to, you know, actually have tattoos that are visible. So that's pretty interesting information to know. Let's see how it evolves in other companies, but that's the first airline I've seen this from my own eyes. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It was very foggy in Paris. The Air Canada flight crew performed a low visibility approach in Charles de Gaulle.